Hello everyone, today we are going to study RC, RL and RLC circuit implementation through falstart.com. So today we are going to verify the circuitry and outcomes that we are going to observe. So go to the Google, type falstart.com circuit, go to the circuit simulator applet. Click on full screen version, drag the circuitry, delete. There is one more option you can define with the blank circuitry. So today we are going to verify RC driven circuitry. So RC driven circuitry, for that one initially we need resistor and capacitor. As an input we are going to use the source, that is AC source, which is of 40 Hz. So let's start. Go to the draw, add resistor, next draw, add capacitor through passive element, next draw inputs, AC voltage source, one terminal, just a minute, inputs, AC voltage source, drag it. Next to it we have to connect that one with the wire. Okay, so go to the outputs and labels, click on add text, write output out, apply, okay. Okay, as an input we are going to provide a square wave which is of 40 Hz, apply, okay. Resistor is of 100 ohm, apply, okay, and capacitor is of 1 microfarad. So if you want to write 1 microfarad, type 1 U, okay. So you can run and stop. So right now it is in running position, okay. As well as one more thing I forgot to mention, that we should have provide the return paths. So outputs, inputs and sources, add ground, connect the same with the wire. So now the circuit is completed. See, we have to see its output, okay. So we'll define in scopes, view in undocked scope. So it will show you, okay, in the scope. We'll run this one. So if you can see, at 100 ohm the input was purely a square wave, so we are able to identify. So I have copied the same circuitry here also. One more time I'll copy the same. Only the thing I'll change right now, for 100 ohm I'll make it as 1K, apply, okay. For 100 ohm here I will make it as 10K. For capacitor, click on right click and view in undocked scope, right click, view in undocked scope, run the circuitry. See, you can observe, see, you can observe when the value of resistor is 1 kilo ohm, okay, so pulse shaping has been done, little bit shifting in the pulse is been observed. When the value is 10k, you can see a purely a sawtooth waveform. You can see the yellow color is for current and green color is for voltage. See, the same circuitry you can export or save as a link, export as an image, export as a text. So initially for study purpose, I'll export as a link. See, create shorten URL. So you can shorten your URL. It will be shortened. Now copy this URL. Okay, so you can use this URL and continue with your next circuitry. Hope you understood this one also. Next circuit that we are going to check with the RC circuit with the actual response that we are going to study. So initially we'll use input, voltage source, then use draw, use resistor, add resistor, resistor will connect, draw passive component, add capacitor. Next, draw switches we have to use, passive component, add SPDT switch. Okay, so you can connect this one like. Next, we'll connect everything with the wire. Tag every and connect every component so that the circuit will be completed. Okay. Next, input voltage is DC. Apply 5 volt we have applied. Capacitor is of 200 microfarad and resistance is of 100 ohm. Run this circuitry. It won't be worked. See. Now, right click on 200 microfarad. Ask view in scope. See, we can purely observe the waveform. Change the switch. See, there is switching has been observed. So green color is for the voltage, yellow color is for the current. You can see green color when the switch was open. See, this transition is just because of the voltage which was present within this capacitor. It is being slowly dropped down. Hope you understood this circuitry. Go to the circuit, blank circuit. Okay, so we'll go for the inductor. Shall we start now? Third circuitry. So again go to the draw, add resistor, draw passive components inductor. Next, draw inputs and sources, AC voltage source, connect every component with the wire. Double click will give the input frequency as 1 Hz. Okay, maximum voltage 5 volt. RL circuitry resistance will give it as of 1 ohm and frequency, inductor value as 50 millihenry. Okay, so values are very less. I'll start running so you can see. I'll minimize the simulation speed. Is it? Now right click on inductor, view in scope. I'll start increasing little bit simulation speed so you can see the effect. Okay, one more thing you can do if you want to change the scale. Okay, so you can change the scale by clicking on this settings button, apply, okay. Now check the values. We can more change the value so that you can maximum within a very small time division period. You can purely observe the complete response of the inductor where the input is AC supply. So last circuitry that we are going to study today, that is series RLC circuit. So again click on blank circuit, we'll go to the blank screen, draw, add resistor, one more resistor we need to add, passive components, capacitor, draw, add inductor, we need to add a voltage source. Yes, almost everything is been added. Now connect it with the wire. Value of resistors are 2 ohm, another one is 2 ohm, capacitor is of the resistor is of 9 ohm, capacitor is of 2 millifarad, so write 2 small m, inductor is of 5 Henry. The voltage that we are going to apply, it is of 10 volt. To perform the switching, I'll remove this wire. We need to add the switch. In between these 2 points, we connect it with the wire so that we can perform the switching and we can see how the circuit will run. Right now the current is flowing across the circuitry. Now we have to see the performance of the capacitor. Right click on the capacitor, view in scope. See, you can see voltage and current values. So click on settings, minimize the speed, like OK. So you can verify a complete switching of the circuitry. I'll increase the simulation speed so that we can purely verify how the current is
going through the capacitor. At the same time, keep in mind this waveform, how the current is moving through. If I open the circuitry, now there is been transistor has been observed, and whatever be the charge was stored across the capacitor can be seen right now. See, it is being discharged slowly. It is being discharged slowly. Hope you understood today's RC, RL and RLC circuit. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.